Waking up isn't tied to too much these days. Softly bopping around 7, 8, 9 if I'm feeling generous, and the odd 11:33. But once in a while, unmoored, waking up lines up with nothing at all. A time not on my clocks. A time I rarely opened my eyes to before. Blank. The taste of TV static or dial-up routers. A negative pressure where I start to expand in every direction, hitting the windows on the way out. But I'm not it anymore. It isn't a shape. A sound instead, pushing back, a sound stretching itself, readying for the day. A few false notes, but that's what they say about the early. You can worm out the kinks. Though I can't see you, I can imagine you in simple lines of contrast, not unlike your notes against the early morning, like a child's drawing carved against the tinnitus. The sound of wind creeping through your beak, your song creeping through the cracks. But me, I see only absence, either my eyelids or through them into a dark, only beginning to yield. And yet, you go, song aloft, floating up and out. But here, I challenge myself to your call, but I cannot break my arms into wings. I cannot pull feathers from my skin. I cannot stare down from above like you. I cannot. My beak is closed up, stuck shut, wings cracked and fossilized, by choice or accident or by design, part of the plan, to be grounded, tied into the straw of the bed, bound to this nest. But you can fly for me, maybe, though I can't see you for sure. I can't be sure you aren't as stuck as me, with wings and knots. I can think that you are flying up there, and this is only the warm-up. I share in your repetition. You will bring the final thing to the rest of the world.